important. I'm just going to read you something from Holly, not our Holly, obviously. 2 years on, I'm dealing with the fallout from mum not having a will. Please tell everybody to get one. And a really important warning for anybody who isn't married or in a civil partnership. If you're sharing, someone was just asking me in makeup about this today, about getting a house together. Well, you get a house together, let me tell you, just because you're living with someone, they have no status in the law if you die. Nothing will go to them unless you put it in a will deciding that you want to. Getting a will is incredibly important. Now, you could wait till March, which is Free Wills Month for the over 55s. November is Will Aid, which is wills for a donation, a solicitor drafted wills for a donation to charity. Or you could go right now, some charities will do it free. You could find yourself a solicitor. You can use the Which Wills Writing Service, where you do it yourself, but they get a solicitor to look over it. But think about getting a will.
And don't get put off because it seems very morbid.
Oh, it is morbid. It's horrible, but we're grown-ups. That's it. That's all I've got to say. We're grown-ups. We have to deal with it.
It's picking the phone up for that first call, really.
You know what? And if you've got children, you need to think about, God forbid, a million times what would happen if you weren't there. I lost my mum young. You need to plan this. Thankfully, it was only one parent I lost. Some lose two. And we have to work out what would happen to our children. So we be grown-ups and we deal with it. And when we're on another mature subject, power of attorney, something else. We talk about wills. We don't talk about this. 1 in 3 people over 65 die with dementia. And yet, we don't consider what would happen to my family if I lost my faculties. If I was no longer able to look after my own finances, I might not be able to pay for my own care. If you have to go to the court of protection, it's a nightmare. Just a quick quote on that one. It's a very long, drawn-out and expensive process. I wish we'd managed to get power of attorney instead when Dad was more capable. And this is the point. The power of attorney is a document that says, you can set it up to say, when or if I lose my faculties, you take over. Not now. I have a power of attorney. I'm 42. Right? And I have nothing perspective coming, but I do it so that my money is not locked away, so my family will still be fine if anything happened to me, not just a will.
Okay. And we must stop impulse buying.
Yes! Yeah? Really stop it.